E-bikes come in all shapes and sizes, with many having folding frames, handlebars, and pedals, so you can store and easily transport the bikes. For the past few weeks, I've been riding a powerful fat tire foldable, but is it built for my mix of biking and train commuting? Hello everybody, this is Matthew Miller, aka Palm Solo, coming to you again with another look at an e-bike. This is the Engwe Engine Pro version of the bike. It's a big e-bike, right? It weighs in at 83 pounds with a battery, so it's a pretty big bike. It has a powerful 750 watt rear hub motor that has a peak of 1,000 watts. They advertise a 60-mile range, but for somebody of my size and the hills and things, I would count on something right around 50 or so. Does have 55 newton meters of torque, so plenty of torque to get you up those hills. Amazingly, this thing moves. It gets up to, with my size and my height and weight, I'm getting almost 30 miles per hour in throttle mode on this, so get ready. This thing has some power to it, and you can control that with the controller on the bike itself. It does have hydraulic disc brakes to help you stop real fast, so that's good when you're going that fast. It does have a cruise control capability, so once you put on that throttle and hold it down, you can just let it go and cruise. Very easy controls with a control panel here and a nice big colorful display. It does have 8 speeds, so it'll help you get up all of those hills. And it is a class 3 bike, as I mentioned, with 30 miles per hour or so. Some people I've seen have gotten up to 34 miles per hour. It depends on your size. It does have, as you can see here, the 20-inch by 4-inch all-terrain tires and mag wheels, not spokes either. It does have dual shocks, a front and rear shock system. The handlebar does fold down, the frame does split in the middle, and there's actually a very nice carrying handle here, or pickup handle, that you can pick up the bike. The pedals also fold for more compact arrangements. It's a bike that's going to get you where you need to go, right? So it folds down. The handlebars it's very much a cruiser bike because the handlebars are pretty high. You're not going to be leaning over and doing a lot of pedaling. I find myself doing more throttle work on this bike than pedaling, pedal assist. It does have 5 levels of pedal assist, but I find on a bike like this with a very comfortable seat and high handlebars, it's more of a cruiser bike rather than an exercise type bike. The one thing that really kills it for me, I did try to commute with it to work a couple times, and it does do a great job of getting me to the train. However, at 83 pounds, even for myself, it's quite an effort to carry it on the train and then up the stairs at the train station. So not really a commuter bike, but excellent for trails or getting around the neighborhood. On the left side of the handlebars, we see the throttle and a large controller with rubber buttons, controlling a large color display with a gear shifter and ergonomic hand grips on the right. We have a nice beautiful color of blue for the bike with a front headlight, metal fenders, fat knobby tires that are good for the trails. The frame folds in half for storage with a kickstand and foldable pedals. We have a nice cargo rack on the back to store all your goods, as well as a very comfortable seat that's fully adjustable. The back also has a tail light along with metal fenders there and that big rear hub motor. With shocks in mid-frame, a key to unlock. The Engwe Engine Pro is available now for $14.99 with a $100 off code available. It's a great bike for so many things.